Hello students, welcome to my educational channel. I am Dr. Kavita Tote, Assistant Professor of Adhyapak Mahavidyalaya, Vadgaon, Mawad. Students, today we are going to study information about review of related literature. In today's video, we will study the following elements related to review of related literature. They are concept, purpose of this review, need, importance, and sources. Let us first understand what review of related literature is. A review of related literature is a customary component of any dissertation or thesis. The chapter on review of related literature, it means looks again, read plus view, looks again at the literature, the reports of what others have done in a related area. This area may not be necessarily identical with but correlated to your own area of research. It is important to understand what other factors are important in a review. Background information that establishes the existence of the problem to be investigated, prior researches on the topic or related topic, theories relevant to the topic, theoretical perspectives on the concept being studied as well as the assumptions in each perspective, research methods, strategies, tools, and control variables used in prior studies, findings of prior studies and their interpretations, strengths and weaknesses, if any, in previous studies. While doing research, it is important to understand the exact purpose of the review because the researcher needs to know why to review. It helps you to identify researches similar to your own and reveal how others have handled such studies. It may help you to identify problems that you might face in implementing your selected research methodology or conceptual theoretical perspective. It can reveal such sources of data that you may not have known to exist. You can find about other significant experts in the field whose work and writing were not known to you. It can lead to new ideas, approaches, and methodologies that may not have occurred to you. It will indicate the state of research with respect to the topic and the subtopics. It may provide assistance in constructing explanatory models. It enables you to view your study in historical and associative perspective. It helps you to identify ready-made tools available to measure the concepts you have planned to study. It provides you a framework within which you can interpret the findings of your study. Above all, it enables you to approach your own particular topic more knowledgeably and expertly. It is important for the researchers to understand the purpose of the review. Equally important is to understand the need and importance of review of related literature. Need of review. The literature lets you see what came before and what did and didn't work for other researchers. To demonstrate your understanding and your ability to critically evaluate research in the field, to provide evidence that may be used to support your own findings, provides conceptual background, reveals related issues, reviews similar problems elsewhere, provides significance to your approach to the study, return in an integrated manner, use peer-reviewed research, includes a reference section. Importance of review. Literature reflects human nature and a way we can learn and relate to others. By reading through a first-person perspective, we can fully immerse ourselves into a different mindset and figure out how others think and feel. Literature review helps the researchers to get the used to the related material on the study, avoid unnecessary and unintentional duplication of others' researches projects. It will help to contribute to knowledge. Helps to summarize the results to previous studies in other for you to use them as database for your findings. You can learn from other researchers' mistakes and avoid making the same. What exactly are the tools for review and how to take review? This is something the researchers need to know. These are some of the sources from which you can get hold of your related literature. Scholarly publications means journals, popular sources, news and magazines, professional or trade sources, books chapters, conference proceedings, government documents, theses and dissertations. There are two types of sources, primary and secondaries. Let us first understand what are the primary sources. The term primary source is used broadly to embody all sources that are original. Primary sources provide first-hand information that is closest to the object of study. Original reports, academic journals, speeches, letters, diaries, autobiographies, interviews, official reports, court records, artifacts, photographs, drawings, all these are primary sources. Secondary sources. A secondary source is a source that provides non-original or second-hand data or information. Secondary sources are written about primary sources. Research summaries reported in textbooks, magazines, newspaper, all are considered secondary sources. They typically provide global descriptions of results with few details on the methodology. Other examples of secondary sources includes biographies and critical studies of an author's work. The research work is done in a systematic manner. Previous research, while conducting research, helps the researchers to get the right direction. That is why review is important in research work. In the next video, let's understand the other components of educational research. You will definitely like the video. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.